I tried Coinsquare wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Coinsquare wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. I knew Coinsquare was one of Canada's biggest crypto platforms, but after 7 days of testing the wallet itself, the shocking truth is that it's built for stability, transparency and ease, not hype. On day 1, setup was a breeze. Verification took just a few minutes, and I was ready to deposit funds. The app's interface felt professional, clean, simple, and surprisingly well organized. By day 3, I started trading between Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin. Transactions were fast, with real-time price tracking and minimal slippage. Most people get this wrong, but Coinsquare doesn't try to overwhelm you with charts and jargon. Instead, it focuses on clarity and control. By day 5, I explored funding and withdrawals. You can deposit through e-transfer, wire or crypto, and the best part, it's regulated under Canadian financial standards, meaning your funds are protected under strict compliance. That's something few global wallets can claim. By day 7, the shocking truth became clear. Coinsquare wallet isn't trying to be flashy. It's trying to be trustworthy. It's the perfect fit for people who want to manage crypto confidently, especially in regions where regulation matters. If you value security, simplicity, and compliance over risky features, Coinsquare delivers exactly that. It's a wallet built for everyday users, not just crypto veterans. The truth? It's one of the most underrated tools for anyone looking to hold, trade, or grow the crypto safely in Canada and beyond.